For this project, I have cut the sloper for the dress form out of a moving blanket and the sloper for the person out of muslin. You can see the places where the muslin is bigger than the dress form. We're going to fill those with padding.
Here's the first layer of the padding. Everything is pad stitched down, and I've put the cover back on and marked areas where I don't want more padding. Here's the second layer of padding. In areas where there would be a dart, I have just slit it and overlapped. This is how it looks with the cover over it. You can see that there's still some space in the back hip, a little bit in the back here, in the side, slight bit in the bust. The front, though, looks pretty good until about here.
This is how all the padding looks in its final version. The seam allowance at center back is cross-stitched back. This covers the raw edges of the padding. Here's the finished cover. I've bound off the neckline and the hem, and I've put a cover on the armholes. I've also left flanges at center back so that they can be pinned closed and then pinned too.